guys how I do what I do. What's up, curl gang? It's your girl Lalaslim here. I'm gonna be showing you guys the top 3 hairstyles that I do when I'm on the go, when I want a protective style, or when I just don't feel like doing my hair. I just do these simple 3 protective styles. One thing you're gonna notice with every hairstyle is that they all kind of go back, but they're not back to the point like where it's really tight on your edges, which saves your edges. You're welcome. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to, unleash the crazy hair of mine. And this part is kind of going to be hard because the mirror that I have is behind the ring light. So, like, I barely could see myself, but I'll do the best that I can to show you guys this terrible parting I'm about to do. Alright, so I know it's not going to be perfect. So don't judge me. I can't really see it. Pretend it's perfect. I don't like how this is going. Oh my gosh. Okay, so give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna actually redo it off camera so that I can see it and then come back to show you guys, because the other 2 hairstyles you don't really have to really part. Okay, so I'm back and I did the parting. I don't know if it's straight. I tried, y'all. I tried, but we're gonna keep our hair split in the middle from the front to all the way to the back. It's easy to do it if you have like a rat tail comb like this. Get some of the leave-in conditioner and then rub it through our hair so we can moisturize it properly. After rubbing it, you're going to add an oil of your choice. Of course, you guys know I like this. Excuse me. Ooh. I like this oil right here. This oil is the tropical roots, and it's a good oil. I like it because it sprays. See, saves me a lot of time. See, moisturize it through the whole hair. A good idea would be to detangle this before you start so your hair can be tangle free. Alright, so we moisturized it, we got it all detangled. Now we're going to braid it. It honestly doesn't have to be perfect, but both of the sides have to match. Okay. Alright, one side down, the other side to go. So we're gonna unravel this part and do exactly the same thing we did on this side to this side. So let me moisturize it with the leave-in conditioner. I said that this doesn't have to be perfect. So this is what our hair looks like right now. Let me show you guys style number 1. We're going to bring this to the back. Let me show you guys how it looks on the side. We're going to wrap our hair ties around it once and then twice, and then you're gonna secure the bottom like a bun. And this is the final hairstyle. Told you guys that you guys wouldn't have to worry about how well the parting is in the back because you cover it. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? All right. And for this hairstyle, you can put like a little headband in front. You can put little hair clips on the side. You can just, you know, make it creative, accessorize it however you want to. This is style number 1. For this next hairstyle, we're going to actually split these into 4. 2 on this side and 2 on this side, but I left this braided, less hair in the way. All right, so let me separate this. How it looks, y'all. Again, this does not have to be perfect. I think I would wear this as a hairstyle. What y'all think? All right, so we are going to pull these back a little bit. Let me show you guys how I do it. And then we're gonna do like the same way we did the other one and then tuck it underneath. But this is gonna be kind of hard to tuck. This is the finished look. Keep in mind, I could see myself only this much in the mirror. For this style, I ended up pairing it with a headband so that it can look nicer, it can look more alive, and you know, it's not looking crazy. You guys go ahead and comment down below which hairstyle is your favorite. Go ahead and continue watching this video so that you guys can go ahead and see the last hairstyle. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do the third hairstyle. So what I do is I go ahead and moisturize my hair. For this part, I'm usually in a rush, especially if let's just say I have to get to work, or you know, I have to go somewhere and I'm in a rush. I just do this and the hairstyle is finished. I moisturize my hair first, and then I seal it with my my oil. And you know, I love this oil. It's kind of starting to run out, so I gotta get me some more. Right, so I moisturize it as much as possible. Alright, so what I do now is I actually have been using this for a while. And I actually have been using this for a while. This is the Marc Hydrating Curl Cream. I don't use this for curly hair. I don't do it for that. But it's really strong. Like when you put it in your hand and you when you need to keep your hair under control, like let's just say you're trying to do like a bun, a ponytail or something, this can keep your hair flat much better. I don't really like using gel, so I try to use this in place of that. So I'm gonna tilt my head forward and then brush going up. So this is the finishing look. But what I do, I usually try to use something. I have a headscarf that I use to flatten the front completely. I'm gonna be putting that on for a couple minutes, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like after putting the headscarf on for a couple minutes. Okay, yeah, so I am back. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking this off to show you guys the finishing look of it. I love this scarf. You guys can get this scarf at Walmart. You can get it at the beauty supply. I mean, it's not completely flat, but it gets the job done. You guys see it? So this is the final hairstyle. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, share, and again, thank you for being a part of the team. See you guys next time. The next video I'll be posting, keep your eye out for it. Bye.